Good morning, dear children. Welcome back. In today's session, we are going to do the evaluation, that is the book back exercises of Term 2, Class 5, Chapter 3 in Social Science, Continents of the World. Come children, let us see. Roman number 1. Choose the correct answer. Question number 1. There are dash continents in the world. There are dash continents in the world. The options are A. 5, B. 7, C. 9. The answer is B. 7. There are 7 continents in the world. Question number 2. The largest continent is dash. The largest continent is dash. Options are option A. Africa, option B. Asia, option C. North America. Answer is option B. Asia. Asia is the largest continent. Question number 3. Dash is the longest river in the world. Dash is the longest river in the world. Options are A. Kaveri, B. Ganga, C. Nile. The answer is Nile. Nile is the longest river in the world. Question number 4. Lake Superior is located in dash. Lake Superior is located in dash. Options are A. North America, B. Australia, C. Europe. The answer is A. North America. Lake Superior is located in North America. Question number 5. Penguins are found in dash continent. Penguins are found in dash continent. Options are A. Asia, B. Antarctica, C. Africa. The answer is B. Antarctica. Penguins are found in Antarctica continent. Let us go to Roman number 2. Match the following. Asia, Vatican City. Africa, Amazon rainforest. Europe, Sahara Desert. South America, kangaroo. Australia, biggest continent. And the answers are Asia, biggest continent. Africa, Sahara Desert. Europe, Vatican City. South America, Amazon rainforest. Australia, kangaroo. Roman number 3. Write true or false. Question number 1. Asia is the third largest continent. Asia is the third largest continent. Answer is false. Asia is the largest continent. Question number 2. India has one of the 7 wonders of the world. India has one of the 7 wonders of the world. Answer is true. India has one of the 7 wonders of the world, and that is Taj Mahal in Agra. Question number 3. Brazil is one of the largest coffee producers in the world. Brazil is one of the largest coffee producers in the world. Answer is true. Question number 4. The Great Barrier Reef is in India. The Great Barrier Reef is in India. Answer is false. The Great Barrier Reef is in Australia. Question number 5. Antarctica has half year of light. Antarctica has half year of light. Answer is true. Moving on to Roman number 4, answer the following. Question number 1. Name the continents of the world. Name the continents of the world. They are Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Australia, and Europe. Asia, Africa, North America, South America, Antarctica, Europe, and Australia. Question number 2. Where is Taj Mahal located? Where is Taj Mahal located? Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Taj Mahal is located in Agra. Question number 3. Describe North America's important features. Describe North America's important features. Describe North America's important features. North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. North America is the only continent in the world that has all climatic types. I repeat, North America is entirely within the northern hemisphere. North America is the only continent in the world that has all climatic type. Question number 4. Which continent is called the frozen continent? Which continent is called the frozen continent? Antarctica is called as a frozen continent. Antarctica is called as a frozen continent. Question number 5. Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? Where is the Great Barrier Reef located? The Great Barrier Reef is located in Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is located in Australia. Question number 5. Answer the following in detail. Question number 1. Write about any two continents. Write about any two continents. Asia. Asia is the world's largest continent in size and population because it has two countries, China and India, which are most populous. Mount Everest in the Himalayas, the highest point on the earth, is located in Asia. Africa. Africa is the second largest continent in the world. The world's longest river Nile, world's largest desert Sahara are both situated in Africa. Africa is known as dark continent. Question number 2. Write a note on the monuments of India. The monuments of India are Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, in Agra, India Gate in Delhi, Sanchi Stupa near Bhopal, Gateway of India in Mumbai, St. George Fort and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. I repeat, the monuments of India are Taj Mahal, one of the 7 wonders of the world, in Agra, India Gate in Delhi, Sanchi Stupa near Bhopal, Gateway of India in Mumbai, St. George Fort and Gangaikonda Cholapuram in Tamil Nadu. Question number 3. Give a detailed study of Australia. Question number 3. Give a detailed study of Australia. Answer is, Australia is an island continent covered by a single country with unique landscapes and natural wonders. It is also called as smallest continent. The Great Barrier Reef, the world's largest barrier reef, is made up of 2,500 individual reefs, is in Australia. Australia includes the island of Tasmania and numerous small islands. That's all for today's session, my dear children. For more videos and solutions to book back exercises, please visit and subscribe our YouTube channel youtube.com/Samachir Kalvi Guide. Thank you for watching. Stay blessed.